For all my teachers out there that have worksheets that they want their students to be able to complete while they're doing online learning, here's your solution. So take your worksheet, go to pdf2go.com. You'll want to choose PDF to PowerPoint. Upload your file here. And then you'll want to click Start. Now it's going to take your PDF file and convert it into a PowerPoint document. Okay, so it's finished converting it. So now I'm going to click Download, and it will download the PowerPoint file onto my computer. There we go. So here's the PowerPoint downloading onto my device. Now all I need to do is go to Google Slides. I'm going to start a new Google slide. We'll do File, Open, and we're going to upload that PDF document that we just turned into a PowerPoint. We're going to upload that. Now you have your PDF file, and each slide is a different page in the PDF. In order to make this editable for the student to complete the worksheet, you can now insert text boxes and shapes for them to circle different words or respond. So I would want to use a text box here. Or maybe I want to offer a shape here so that they can move the shape to select different words. You also can use the white space around the slide to position, your shapes and your text boxes. Also to add notes on what they exactly need to do. So over here, I would say use the square shape to select the correct answer. And then I can make that. I can make it bigger. I can fill this box in so that the instructions stand out more. And then I would take this shape and I would drag it right here. And I would want to say transparent. So then here's my shape. The students will read the instructions and then they'll drag this shape to select the particular answer. And that is all.